Well, it's a beautiful spring day. The sun is out, the grass is growing, and the lambs are foraging. It's wonderful to see them all getting along, getting fat, being happy. But in this, I noticed something quite particular, quite interesting, a bit surprising. This happens. Time wants to challenge me. Wants to figure out who's the dominant one out here. Although I find it pretty comical how much of a gentleman he is. I should probably really stop doing this. For one thing, he's been trying to do it to my wife. It's probably not good. One, because she's smaller, but two, because she's pregnant. Now, I've done a little bit of reading, and it says that you really should stop doing this, because it determines who's in charge, who's the leader of the pack. And apparently, the leader's the one that gets the mate. Now, I'm hoping he's smarter than that, but I hope he doesn't think I'm going to be doing it. That's his job. Well, after about 5 or 10 minutes, he grew tired of losing and walked away. I'll leave you here at the chickens, and the ducks come to see you. Come on back now.